FedEx and Microsoft are bringing together FedEx Network Intelligence with capabilities from Microsoft Dynamics 365 to introduce a cross-platform logistics as a service for retailers, merchants and brands. The companies share a vision for reimagining commerce experiences for businesses so they can offer their consumers more integrated ways to shop, and faster, more efficient deliveries. The increasing pressure on brands to build affinity while managing higher order volumes can bring new opportunities for businesses to leverage existing systems of record, optimize fulfillment and deliver on their order promises with increased precision. This increased precision can be used to identify and fix issues before they become too costly or time-consuming, and the view of the customer can be improved by using a more complete view of their customers. Nearly 2 years ago they set out on a mission with Microsoft to transform the commerce ecosystem, said Raj Subramaniam, President and COO of FedEx Corp. In this next phase of their collaboration, they will continue to connect the unmatched supply chain insights from the FedEx network with the Microsoft Cloud to improve e-commerce experiences for brands, merchants and consumers.